Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best zero-turn striping kit is probably one of the most sought-after lawn care accessories for achieving professional-looking stripes on your lawn. Today, we will review its features, installation, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your lawn mowing needs, and how to get the most out of this tool to create those envious lawn stripes. Number 5. Lawn Stryper Gen 3 System. It's compatible with many popular gas and battery-powered lawn mowers, making it a versatile choice for most homeowners. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your mower. Attaching it to your mower is simple, and it's designed to work with or without a bagging system. Plus, the roller is easy to remove for cleaning. This year, we've included all the handlebar inserts you'll need. This ensures a perfect fit, no matter the mower brand. It creates those sharp, professional-looking stripes you see on sports fields and golf courses. Simply mow and stripe at the same time. This updated model features a grooved roller for even better stripes, a stronger bracketing system, and an improved design for easier use. Dry sand is needed for optimal performance. With its easy installation and superior striping capabilities, it's the perfect tool to elevate your lawn care. Follow the patterning guide for best results. What we like. It boasts compatibility with various mower brands and models. Its simple design makes installation a breeze, allowing you to mow and stripe simultaneously. If you desire professional-looking lawn stripes without hassle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's thick and well constructed. It's very important to read the directions to get the parts lined up correctly, and if there's one thing that's the most important is don't tighten up anything real tight before you have it aligned. As for how the unit works, again I was pleasantly surprised. My mower is not self-propelled, so I thought it would be super tough pushing it, but again, I was surprised. Yes, it adds extra weight to push the mower, but the roller makes it much easier than I thought, even though it does take greater effort to push the mower. And as for stripping, worked great. Number 4. CUB CADET 19A30024100 Lawn Kit. Enhance your lawn's appearance with this striping kit. It's designed to create professional-looking stripes on your lawn. This is a genuine CUB CADET part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's specifically designed for easy installation. It's compatible with various CUB CADET tractors. Check your model to ensure compatibility before purchasing. This kit is designed for stamped cutting decks. Make sure your deck size is 50 or 54 inches for a proper fit. This kit is compatible with several CUB CADET models, including XT1 GT50, XT1 LT50, XT1 LT54, XT2 LX50, XT2 LX54, XT2 SLX50, and XT2 SLX50 EFI. Confirm your model number for a perfect match. The kit is designed for straightforward installation. You can easily enhance your mowing experience. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for CUB CADET mowers. It's a guaranteed fit for 50 or 54 stamped decks. If you own a CUB CADET and want a perfect, hassle-free striping solution, this is your best bet. What people say. Description of product was great. Perfect fit for our mower. Number 3. Exmark 483-523-604 Stryper Kit. This kit is a genuine Exmark Toro part, ensuring quality and compatibility with your equipment. It's designed for precise striping and a professional finish. The kit is designed for straightforward installation, minimizing downtime and maximizing your efficiency. You'll be striping in no time. It provides the tools you need to achieve those crisp, clean stripes you want. Get ready to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. This is an authentic Exmark Toro part, number 1165297, guaranteeing quality in performance. It's built to last. Transform your lawn care with this essential kit. It's the perfect addition for achieving professional-looking stripes. Experience the difference that genuine Exmark parts make. It's an investment in the longevity and performance of your equipment. What we like. As a genuine Exmark part, it ensures quality and durability. It's built to last and maintain its performance over time. If you prioritize quality and longevity, this is the ideal option for you. Number 2. Toro Lawn Striping System. Get ready to transform your lawn with crisp, professional stripes. It's easy to use and delivers stunning results. It measures 13 inches wide, 16.5 inches deep, and 24 inches high. Compact enough for easy storage. Use it with your existing bagger attachment, or leave it off for a different look. It's completely up to you. The roller is easily removed for storage or if you need to mow areas where stripes aren't desired. Simple and convenient. You can put it together quickly with just a Phillips head screwdriver. No special tools are needed. For optimal performance, it requires 16 to 20 pounds of dry sand. Remember, the sand is not included. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to assemble, requiring only a Phillips screwdriver. It seamlessly integrates with your bagger system. If you value convenience and Toro's trusted quality, this is your perfect match. What people say. Attaching the striping system to my mower was simple and straightforward. It's compatible with most walk-behind mowers, and the instructions were clear and easy to follow. Filling the roller with sand was quick, and it provides the perfect weight for creating defined stripes without being cumbersome. The stripes it creates are stunning. They give my lawn that ballpark or golf course look, elevating its appearance significantly. Whether you prefer diagonal, checkerboard, or straight lines, the system delivers consistent and professional quality results. This product seems to be a great seamless addition to most 21-inch 22 walk-behind mowers. Make sure to install as close to the rear of the mower deck as possible, and cornering turning at the end of each row is a cinch. Number 1. Swisher 21180 Response Stryper Kit. Get ready to give your lawn that professional, striped look. This kit is designed for Swisher mid-mount ZTR mowers, making it easy to achieve a manicured finish. It's incredibly easy to put together, all the hardware you need is included in the box. You'll be striping your lawn in no time. This kit creates those beautiful, even stripes you see on professional baseball fields. It's the perfect way to enhance your lawn's curb appeal. It's designed to work perfectly with Swisher mid-mount Response ZTR models. Check your mower's model to ensure compatibility. It measures 18.5 inches long, 39.75 inches wide, and 4 inches high. The Stryper wheels have a 3.8-inch outer diameter, a 0.765-inch inner diameter, and are also 3.8 inches wide. Transform your yard with this easy-to-use kit. Enjoy the satisfaction of a professionally striped lawn. What we like. It's specifically designed for Swisher mid-mount ZTR models. Assembly is a snap, with all hardware included. If you own a Swisher ZTR and want that professional, manicured look, this is the one for you. What people say. It is also easy to remove, so it makes it quick and easy to change attachments. Put it on my Hustler mower. Bought some all thread and put it through the small back wheels. Didn't use the main bracket. Nice product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.